Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn latitude and longitude. These two contents are most important during studying about geography or globe. Firstly, see here. This is the latitude and this is the longitude, and this is the equator line which divides our globe or earth in two same parts or same dividations here, and here is the south pole and here is the north pole. North direction means north pole and south direction means south pole. And first one thing is most to listen here, that equator is always horizontally structured, and here prime meridian means pradhan madhya. This is always as straight line means vertical line. So now we will continue. An imaginary line called the equator, like as this, runs horizontally exactly at the middle, dividing the earth into two equal halves or hemisphere. Hemispheres means golards. This is the hemisphere, and this hemisphere divides into two same parts with the help of equator. That line is called equator, that divides earth or globe in two same parts. Then the hemisphere towards north pole side is called the northern hemisphere. Just I said northern pole and south pole, and this is called northern hemisphere means नॉर्थ गोलार्ध यानी उत्तर गोलार्ध और दक्षिण गोलार्ध. साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर मीन्स दक्षिण गोलार्ध and north hemisphere means उत्तर गोलार्ध. And toward the south pole is called the southern hemisphere. Means our latitude topic is simply clear here. Firstly, listen that our globe or earth divides into two same parts with the help of equator line. That equator line divides our earth into the two same parts like as shown in the picture, and northern side or north direction is called northern hemisphere and southern direction is called as southern hemisphere means uttari golardha and dakshini golardha. This topic is completed here, not hard. And second, next lines on page number 11. See there, other latitude lines run parallel to the equator, shown in the picture in our book. Similarly, that after equator line on the upper side and at the lower side, there are all lines straightly drawn there, and we can see here that every line match straightly in that partition of the globe. The equator is marked with 0 degree and the latitude closest either the side of two poles is marked 90. This is called 0 degree and here is called 90 degree. Means all total this our globe, we can say that it covers 180 degree angle, and this equator divides both of these parts into 90 degree angles. Other important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer at the 23rd and half degree and north, and the Tropic of Capricorn at 23rd and half degree to south. Now you will see here that this is the longitude. You can see here there firstly learn Tropic of Cancer means Karka Rekha and Tropic of Capricorn means Makar Rekha, and that's area measured geographically is in 23rd and half degree in Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn measured in alpha numerically 23rd and half degree in south, north and south. Here is the north and south. And then here are, you can see here that here is the southern pole minus point means minus degree, and here is the plus, and in longitudes there is the also, it is the divider line like as shown here. Here is the 0 and here is the 180 degree angle. Now we will learn longitude. Longitude means deshantar, means all over the world. Longitudinal lines run from North Pole to South Pole like as this, North Pole to South Pole. All places that are in the same longitude have the same timing or noon at the same time. Means whenever here times moves, all longitude means deshantar, means all over in the world. When here is completes the 0 degree center, all over the places same temperature or same time, same temperature, same time at the middle of or center of the 0 degree. Then the longitudinal lines are marked from 0 to 180 degree, 0 to 180 degree, with the prime meridian marked as 0 degree. Prime meridian means Pradhan Madhyana. Pradhan Madhyana means here is one difference between latitude and longitude. Latitude is divided by half line horizontally, divides by equator, and longitude divide straightly or vertically by dividing vertical line here. And then like the equator, the prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres. These are two hemispheres. Difference is here only, this is horizontal and this is vertical. The eastern hemisphere from 0 to 180 east and western hemisphere from 0 to 180 west. Here, see here, the eastern hemisphere म्हणजे पूर्वी मध्यान, पूर्वी गोलार्ध 0 to 80 here, and here 0 to 80 here, means here this is the east side and this is the west side. Means what is meaning of this, that ये जो है प्राइम मेरिडियन, लॉन्गिट्यूड का प्राइम मेरिडियन जो है वो प्राइम मेरिडियन मीन्स प्रधान मध्याह्न, जो खड़ी दिशा में हमारे ग्लोब या पृथ्वी को डिवाइड्स करता है वर्टिकल लाइन में. और 0 to 80 डिग्री राइट साइड, एट द राइट साइड देयर इज ईस्ट साइड and here is west side, and it divides into 0 to 180 degree in east hemisphere and 0 to 180 degree on west hemisphere. In this way our lesson is completed here. Thank you. Have a nice day.